Let me explain. So I've had a couple of these situations where a spouse dies and there's life insurance left over. What we have done, and I've had this work and it's still working in several cases, is we've taken the life insurance money that's left over and we've used it to fund lifestyle payments, right? So we don't take $500,000 or $1 million of life insurance and pay off a mortgage and pay off a car and all of those things, because then all that money's gone. Here's why that's important. If you pay off a mortgage, great, there's no more mortgage payments, so that makes cash flow easier. Sure. However, lifestyle adjustments for the first 2 years after losing a spouse are erratic for most people. And a lot of that's because of the process of grieving. And there's some months where you can barely pull yourself out of your room, so you spend nothing. And there's some months where you're feeling great and you need to take a trip. Or you decide to buy a thing that you've always wanted for yourself. And it's usually fun things that are not irresponsible. Like I had a client buy jet skis. And this is like, we always wanted to do this, and now I'm going to do it. Cool, right? Excellent. Go have fun on the water. Take me. I have my own life jacket. I want to go, right? Like, let's have fun with this. Let's be, of course, we'll be responsible with it. But sometimes that happens, and it's okay, right? There's permission for that in the financial plan, because financial planning doesn't give you permission. It gives you the ability to make good financial choices. In those periods where you can barely get yourself out of your room, you might decide that you have to take a month off work. And if you take a month off work, a lot of times that's going to be unpaid, or a portion of it will be paid. Some of it will be unpaid. Well, there's no cash flow to speak of. So what we want to do is have the ability to draw off from that insurance money in the event that you need to supplement cash flow. Right? I have a situation now where there's almost enough money to pay for the lifestyle. It really was, 2 incomes were important for that home. And so now there's a supplement. And I had the same thing before. And then there's times where it's a retired person and there really is no need for that income.